And we are back. In this video I'm going to show you how to recreate the Yin and Yang symbol in Illustrator. Let us use the Ellipse Tool. I only have a black fill and no stroke. I'll hold Shift to create a perfect circle and I'll center it properly. Now let me change the fill color to red and I drag a second circle holding Shift from top to the center position, something around that. And I drag a copy out of it holding Alt. I reposition it just like here. I shift click on both to have them both selected at the same time. And now I position them to the center position and I make sure they fit. Your smart guides, they need to be checked, so activated for that. Go to view and here you can see my smart guides are activated. If you now use your shape builder tool and the shapes of the bigger circles, in my case the black shapes, are still connected, you need to resize your inner circles. Your first idea might be to do this, so put them a bit above your black circle, but this is not really the way to do it, because it's not perfectly aligned. The better way to do it is go to view and then deselect snap to pixel, so now only snap to point is selected. Now shift click on both of your red circles, both of your inner circles, and now you can position them exactly to the point where they have to be. Make sure to hold shift when you do so. I'll have to do that with the bottom circle as well. In the smart guides they help me with that. And now it fits way better. We now select it all and use the shape builder tool. The right and the left shape of the black circle are separated and we can work with that. I select one of the red circles, press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to copy and paste in place, and we make that green. And now I copy that once more holding Alt. Let me bring the red circle in the background. So I select it, right click, arrange and send backward. Now you can see the green circle. I select it all and then I use the shape builder tool to connect these two shapes and these. And now I use the select tool, V for that, and the eyedropper tool I to give the white color, and the remaining two, they need the black fill color. Change that as well. Let me select the white element and now I'll give it a black stroke. Let me increase the stroke size a little bit, and there's a problem that arises. You can see that the stroke doesn't align perfectly, so we need to go to window and stroke, or simply press on this little icon over here, and then we need to align the stroke from center to inside. You can obviously just rotate it holding shift. Or you can reflect it. Right click, transform and reflect. I guess the original one looks like this, where the white is on the left side and it grows bigger to the top. And now I decrease the size of the stroke. That's way better. And now I can group it again. Resize it holding shift and alt. Here's the Yin and Yang symbol we created in Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.